Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guys, and Chinese New Year has just ended. What are we gonna do with these Mandarin oranges? Today we're gonna make a simple codfish dish that we're gonna sear on a pan to bring out that buttery goodness. And you know what's the best part? We're gonna make a sauce out of these awesome Mandarin oranges. So we're gonna drizzle the sauce over some pasta and the codfish. It's gonna bring everything together. We're gonna make use of these Mandarin oranges and it's gonna be beautiful. So without further ado, let's go. First up, we're gonna make the sauce, and it's gonna be a fairly simple sauce. We're gonna use some garlic, we're gonna use some onions, and of course the star of the show, the mandarins. Alright, we're gonna probably chop up like, 3 pieces. We're gonna finely mince it. It's important to mince your garlic really fine so that you get all that flavor from the garlic. Mince up some onions as well to go with the sauce. Right now we're dicing up some onions. I know many people have different ways of dicing their onions. I just like to do it this way because it's simple for me. I can just chop everything up. The Mandarin orange sauce is going to complement the dish very well because you want to add some citrusy flavors to the rich buttery taste of codfish. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to put the mandarins into a blender. Let's extract that juice out of these Mandarin oranges. Try to take out any seeds you see in there because seeds are no good. Seeds are going to make it like bitter, and there's bad chemicals in seeds, man, but not human seeds, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna put all these bad boys in. If you see the seeds, take it out. If you guys need substitutes for Mandarin oranges, if you can't find it wherever you guys are, you can use oranges, you can use mangoes, anything that's citrusy that complements a buttery fish very well. Alright, so bam, 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 orange juice. Man, it looks so good, I just want to drink it. I don't even want to cook it, man. Beautiful butter. Then we're going to drop that awesome possum onions in there. This is going to make that sauce, have a kind of savory smell in it as well. Just going to drop some, salt in there. Alright, in it goes. Bang, bang, bang. Whoa, look at that. We're going to blend it all together. Everything in there, and boom. This is the sauce. We're gonna sieve it, get all that unwanted out. I'm gonna do the mix. Get some of that awesome sauce out. So I've got some of that awesome fresh English parsley. Give the sauce a bit of flavor. We're gonna slice and dice. It has this very spicy aniseed smell. Pan's really hot. All right, get some olive oil in there. All right, next I'm gonna add in that awesome sauce. It's going in. Whoa, awesome smell. All right, next we're gonna add some double cream in there. Add some cream. Salt and pepper in. We'll go with the salt first. Alright, you want it to be savory, and bang, some pepper in there as well. Damn! Give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. I'm gonna give it a quick taste test. Nice. Dump that beautiful chopped parsley in there. And next, we're gonna cook up the pasta and the fish. Alright, got the water boiling. Let's get some olive oil in there. Let's get some salt in there. Alright, the reason why you get olive oil in there is because you don't want the pasta to stick together, alright? A lot of people don't know that, and now you know. You have to cook it for probably around 8 minutes, get it al dente. So today, the star of our show, the codfish. Look at this awesome piece of codfish. It's beautiful. You don't need seasoning. You can just eat it just like that. Got it fresh from the markets today. It's really expensive because of its really buttery texture. But of course, if you want to bring it to the next level, you gotta season it. Alright, so we're gonna get some black pepper on there. We're gonna get some of that salt on it. Alright, We're gonna rub it in, we're gonna turn it over, we're gonna rub some more. Olive oil in the pan, same thing again. Alright, we're gonna get that beautiful codfish. Gonna go on. Alright, so I'm gonna add some butter in. For a fish of this size, of this thickness, you probably want to give it 2 to 3 minutes on each side. The reason why I added butter in is because you want to get that browning effect on it. So we're gonna get some more of that olive oil in there. Alright, we're gonna get that our awesome possum sauce that's going in there, you know, with our pasta. So we're gonna make sure, you know, that sauce is awesomely incorporated. Alright, so we're gonna get that pasta onto the plate. Yep, we're gonna get that awesome piece of codfish on. And get that awesome codfish on the, probably on the side. That. So with simple ingredients, you get a simple dish like this, which looks good as well. I'm gonna dig in, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna see how it tastes like. Oh look man, it just flakes off just like that. And I'm gonna try the fish first, the pasta. Nice. You can taste the Mandarin orange in there, but it's not overpowering. You get the smell of it. Really simple sauce to make, you know. Delicious, man. We've come to the end of another episode of Leftover, guys. We enjoyed cooking this dish today. We hope you enjoyed what you see. Do remember to subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now you know what to do with your Mandarin oranges. And we'll catch you guys real soon with new cook-ups. And till then, Leftover, guys, we're gonna wish you guys Heng Ong Huara!